Okay guys, Sad back with you. We're doing our final valve job on the LittleRedExpress heads. I didn't have to do this, but there you go. We use the Goodson 3D seat cutter, but sometimes they don't come out perfect cutting them. But grinding the seats produces concentric. There you go. There you go. You can see a line there. There you go. All ready to go. I'll get one more here and then I'll finish up. Checking my width with my calipers. Use the dividers. There you go. I'll be okay. I stamped that pretty good so you can see a nice line all the way around. Okay, we're on our last intake seat, guys. Okay, it's good. Make sure there's no grit in there before you stamp it. There you go, you can see a line on there. Let's put a little Sharpie on there. Get a look-see. you go. We're running about 50 thousandths on the width on the intakes. Okay, here we go. We've got our 1600 hard seats. Okay, one step closer, and my phone died earlier. Excuse me. One step closer. Okay, one step closer. We're all set. Got our final valve job done. Let's get these heads surfaced, and let's get them cleaned up, put together. We've got a, this is Ed back at the shop. We've got a bad hole here. Kind of hard to see back over on this side. Had a broken bolt, had to drill it out. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a helicoil in that hole. So get it level that way. This is on our LittleRedExpress. Okay. There you go. We got that level. We'll get a drill. Okay. Our kit calls for a 21/64 drill bit. That's about 328 thousandths. There you go. There you go. And I went ahead and see if I can focus this. Put a new grind on the drill bit. And I just hand grind them on the bench grinder. We'll just float our fixture over here. We're doing this in the seat and guide machine. This is a Winona Van Norman PH 6000 DA. Okay, we're centered up. Okay, contact. Okay, I just put a little cutting oil on here. Okay, I'm going to stop that and I'll go in the rest of the way by hand. Like power tapping it, makes it nice and straight. I'll use my countersink here, and I'll just kind of deburr the top of that hole. There you go. And then of course, customer will need to apply a silicone sealer, or they can put a stud back in there. I will install the insert with Loctite. Let's see if I can set that up here. There's the insert. I will install that with Loctite after I do the final cleaning on the heads. Thanks for watching.